So to rename your JBL Charge 6, go and launch the JBL Portable app. And if you don't have it, make sure you get it installed on your phone. It's available in the Play Store for free. Simply install it. And if your speaker is connected to your phone via Bluetooth, when you launch the app, it's going to show your speaker there. So what you want to do now is go to product information, tap on that, and then you should see rename my product, tap on that, and you can see the default name is JBL Charge 6. So you can add to this name, you can delete some characters and write your own specific name that you want. So I'm going to call mine Chris's Charge 6. Simple as that. And then tap on save and then confirm. It's going to ask me to reconnect. So I'll just tap on close, go to my Bluetooth settings. And then I'm going to reconnect. So I'm going to forget this. And then it's going to scan for a device again. So when you scan again, of course, you might have to put your speaker in Bluetooth pairing mode. You can see now it's called Chris Charge 6 and not JBL Charge 6. So there you go. That's basically how to rename your JBL Charge 6. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And if you have any comments or questions, talk to us in the comment section. Good luck.